Welcome to Brain Vision.
Gravity is inversely proportional to the square of distance from the center of Earth, so we can write that gravitational acceleration at point A, this will be equals to g at 200 distance from the surface, and this will be equals to g naught r square plus r plus 200 whole square. Okay, so after substituting value of radius r, we get ga equals to 29.205 feet per second square. Okay, and similarly we can determine gb, which will be equals to g at altitude 222,300, which will be equals to g naught r square divided by r plus 22300 whole square. So after substituting values, we will get gb, which will be equals to 0.733 feet per second square. Okay, now from the diagram we can see that the acceleration at point A will be equals to minus ga y cap, and acceleration of B, which will be equals to gb x cap. Okay, so now the relative acceleration of B with respect to A, this will be equals to acceleration of B minus acceleration of A. So substituting values here, acceleration of B is this and acceleration of A is this, and gb is equals to this value. So we will get, after substituting values, equals to 0.733 x cap minus 29.20 y cap, 205 y cap. Okay, so this is the answer for the question. Okay, this is the our required acceleration with acceleration of point B with respect to A. Okay.